I'll show you how to create a 3D pop animation effect, also known as the out-of-bounds effect, using Canva. Are you ready? Let's dive into some Canva tips and tricks. First, you can search for kids in the Elements section and add a picture of kids. You can use any image from your computer, just like I'm doing with this one. After that, I will adjust this picture very perfectly. Now I will search for curved in the Elements section. Then I will go to Graphics and choose a curved shape like that. Now I will go to Colors and change its color to white. After that, I will increase its size a little bit. Then, I will duplicate this shape and adjust it at the bottom like that. Bingo! Next, I will duplicate it again and adjust it on the right side exactly the same. Remember to do the same and duplicate it again, adjusting this one on the left side exactly like that. Now, go to the Draw section and choose the marker. Select white color. Draw with the white color on the blank area like that, filling these blank areas in. Now download it as PNG file, okay guys? After that, I will choose the blue color, add our design, and go to Shadows to give this design an outline. When you're done, format it and download it as a PNG as well. After that, upload the image. Then, go to the Shadows and give this image a curved shadow exactly like that in Bingo. I'm just cutting this because it's easy and not necessary, but I'm just telling you and hope you can do that. Now upload the same image of the kid and decrease its transparency. Adjust it very precisely on the image and then remove its background. After that, increase the transparency again. Bingo! Our design is ready. Here is our final design. If you like my video, then like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.